Okay, so let's start. Please move forward. Occupy the vacant seats in front. Please come forward and all of you occupy the vacant seats. Move. Move, move. Move. Come on. Always occupy the vacant seat in front. Always occupy the vacant seats in front of the class. Let's do the attendance checking. If I point the mouse to your picture, say present, teacher. Say present. Louder. Okay, good. Very good. Good, good. I like that. Next. Good. Louder. Present. Okay, good. Say present. Good. Okay. Next. Vanessa. Okay. Okay? Right. Okay. Here. Good. Alison? Where are you? Late? Absent? Okay. Nantapat? Nantapat? Okay, good. Alright, very good. Thank you for attending this class. Now